Hey, what's up, Sami here. Today we are going to review this hat from RedMagic. I'm just fucking with it. It's this, right? It's this RedMagic 7S Pro. The hat is just a gift in box, alright? And I'm really glad it's not a green hat, because you know, green hat has another meaning in Chinese. Anyway, that's another story. Let's just get down to the phone. The RedMagic 7S Pro. It features the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. By the time I'm recording this video, it is the first gaming phone to have this chipset, but I don't know if it's the first one when it's released. Anyway, that's the specs there, like ICE 10.1, 10.0, multi-dimensional cooling system, 520 Hz. So let's check what's new. Starting with unboxing. Ooh, you see Snapdragon Elite Gaming. Alright, so on the first layer, we have an insert that includes a pen, a manual. They should have manual and this paperwork, but since this is a prototype, so they don't include all of those. Wow, and a phone case, exactly the same as the 7 Pro and 7. It feels good, a little bit rigid, but feels well made, good quality. And wow, again, they sent me this black, this transparent case one. I just feel so excited. Just a second, I'm gonna bring you the transparent version of the 7 and 7 Pro. Just a second. Alright, so here we go. We have the RedMagic 7 Pro, and 7S Pro. Wow, I have all the transparent edition of them. Woo! Yeah, the reason I like it because it looks beautiful, and even if we don't use it, we just put there, you know, as a piece of decor, right? Ooh, okay. Anyway, let's just move to the unboxing. We'll take a look later. Type-C to Type-C cable. The max output is 65 watts. Ooh, that's all the stuff you can get from the box. Ooh, just so premium. So comfortable to touch. Also, one thing I noticed immediately is the back. Compared to the 7 Pro, it seems like it has one more layer. Seems like, right? And also it has this pattern thing, makes it look like a military phone or something. Ooh. Yeah, so that's the size. I guess it's pretty much the same as the 7 Pro, but seems like the text, as you can see, the color, they have changed from that gold one to this, you know, to this gray one. So it looks a little bit more low profile. 8 Plus Gen 1. ICE 10.0. Alright, that's the back. Moving to the design, yes, it's the same as the 7 Pro. We got this game key here. One key to let you enjoy gaming immediately. Moving to the top, see, we still have this technologically advanced, you know, super great 3.5mm headphone jack. It's a gaming phone. We gotta keep this. Good job, RedMagic. You know, I don't have requirements of this for other phones, but it's a gaming phone. We need to have this. Alright, and moving to the bottom, we have the speaker, Type-C, and the SIM card tray. Let me check. SIM card 2, SIM card 1. Dual card, dual standby, no SD card expansion supported. The same as the Pro. I'm moving to the top. We just went through the top, right? So let's just went to this side. Ooh, the same design as the same Pro. We got the shoulder key. Actually, I prefer this kind of virtual key on the RedMagic, not like the physical key on the Black Shark, because sometimes you accidentally, just touch the key here and trigger this shoulder key, and that's not very good. That's not very good. So I just prefer this, and it's easy to touch. You don't need to press down, right? Ventilation here, power key, volume roll key, and there's another mic here, D-Noise mic. All right. So yeah, that's the design, pretty much the same as the 7 Pro. It's a gaming phone. Now let's test numerous games on it, shall we? Alright, regarding gaming, as we tested a lot on the RedMagic 7 Pro, it's already out of this world. With an unbelievable average 120 FPS for Honor of Kings, 60 FPS for PUBG, and Genshin Impact. I just don't see any other gaming phones that can compete with it. Now for the 7S Pro, again, we tested one of the most demanding mobile games, the Genshin Impact, for 30 minutes in 60 FPS high graphics. Without any surprise, it went full throttle at an average 60 FPS. That's basically a flat line without fluctuation. Here's the temperature for the front and back panels. It has great thermal control considering the aggressive gaming performance. What's more, I found that the 7S Pro consumes less power for the same amount of game time. It consumes 17% compared to the 25% on the 7 Pro after 30 times of Genshin Impact. The RedMagic 7S Pro not only maintains the same unparalleled gaming performance from the 7 Pro, but also improves its power consumption. Together with some other optimizations like the new gaming space layout, which gives a more immersive experience, and a new cooling system choice, I think this RedMagic 7S Pro can easily make it to be one of the top gaming phones on the market, if not their top. Finally, I know for the gaming phone, you may not care about the camera performance, but still took it out and shot a few samples. Enjoy. And if you are interested in this top-notch gaming phone, please check out the link in the description. I'm Sami. I'll see you in the next one.